Hello everyone and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorials number 124. Today we share a free mobile app that most everyone can use, Adobe Scan. Did you know that you can scan documents on your phone, anytime, anywhere? Yep, and it's a lot less frustrating than using a traditional scanner or one of those Swiss Army knife printers at your school. Besides, who wants to walk to the other wing of the school, over in Saskatchewan, just to have to wait in line with this guy? And when you finally get your turn, people are waiting on you to figure out the arcane button sequence in order to operate the scan option and have it emailed to you. This ain't Guitar Hero? No, it's far easier to use your phone, which can already take incredibly detailed images, and use that as a scanner. Adobe Scan is a free mobile app that makes scanning documents into a PDF a breeze. Let's see how a basic scan is performed. When you first launch Adobe Scan, you will be given the choice to log into Adobe account. You can log in with an existing account or create a new one using your Google account. It's pretty simple from that point. I'm not showing that because I've already done that with this application and I can't get it to pop up again. At any rate, once you're in the program, you can hit the little camera icon here if your camera is not already activated. Usually it goes ahead and activates it as it is. But you can come in here and just point at a document and it will automatically capture it. And you can even get multiple pages of that document if you hit continue and continue to scan again. You can even scan bits and pieces of that document. Let's say you have handwritten text here on a different page. I'll get that one too. I'll show you what that does. You want to hold as steady as you can and then hit continue. Once you're done capturing, just hit the little icon at the bottom right hand corner and you'll have a PDF which is nice and clean. Look at that. Look at that. None of the shadows, none of that. There's a little bit of smudge over there on the corner, but overall this is a nice clean scan without any of the lighting issues or anything else I may have had. So just swipe around to see the different pages of it. You can also look at the tools at the bottom, which lets you reorder the pages, add more pages, crop them, rotate them, all that stuff. There's even a nice little thing here called clean up and delete. So let's say I want to get rid of this middle one here. I just move to it and then hit delete and get rid of that. And let's say I wanted to clean this up a little bit. I can use the cleanup tool and drag over areas that are going to be erased. It'll ask me what color do you want to fill this. You can do the surrounding color or you can do a selected color, like you can do a redacted black. In this case, I'm going to use the surrounding color so it effectively erases it. So I'll zoom in and then use two fingers to move around your scan. That's fine. And I'll just go in here with my finger and it'll highlight it pink. But then when I let go, it's going to bring that in there. I can undo it in case I hit something by mistake. And of course you don't want to get too close to the letters because it'll erase them, and some of that you're just going to have to live with. You can also affect the size of the brush just by the little slider down here, so you can get a little bit more precise. Combine that with the zoom function and you can pretty much clean up almost any document if given enough time or patience. Once you're happy, just hit the check mark at the top. Give it a name by tapping the little pencil up there with the name at the top. It will even suggest a document name based on the text that's in the document. And when you're happy, hit Save PDF. And it's going to drop this into your phone file system. Now from here, you can scan more and keep going, or you can come in here and open it in Adobe Acrobat if you have that on your phone. Or the more important one, I think, is the share button. With the share button, you can get a link to send to someone else online, or you can email it as an attachment, or the best one is share a copy. Share a copy lets you beam this to another phone nearby, or even send it to apps that you have on your phone, such as Gmail or Drive. So when you send it to Drive, you get to choose what account you want to use that with, and you can choose what folder you'd like to put that into in Google Drive. And now for a bonus. If you're on Android and you've got Google Drive app, you can actually scan from the Drive app on your phone. Wait, what? Yeah, that's right. If you have Google Drive, again, on your phone, you don't need any third-party scanner app, because Drive can do it. Now it's basic, it's not quite as good as Adobe Scan, but if you're just in a pinch, you can do this. To check this out, go to Google Drive on your Android phone and hit the plus icon at the bottom and just tap Scan. It's going to ask you if you're going to allow it to have permissions to do this. Yes, while using the app, you can take pictures and record video, and then point it towards the document and it will capture a picture of it. It's going to say, okay, tap plus to scan more pages or check mark to upload the document. Got it. Notice that it will try to crop this for you, but you can turn off the crop and adjust that. Again, it's not quite as clean as Adobe Scan. This is why I prefer Adobe Scan, but I think it is kind of interesting that you can do this with Google Drive. When you're happy, just hit save. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it useful. And if you did, go ahead and hit that like button. Heck, why not support us and click that subscribe button. Click on the bell icon to receive email notifications. Leave a comment or idea for a Tech Tuesday video below. Share this video with your friends. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.